Hey, what's up, guys? Houston here. Should you let your credit go bad since potentially the new mortgage bill that Biden passed will penalize people for new credit or penalize people that have good credit? Okay, so basically, if you have good credit and they have this new program with people with lower credit scores, uh, you with the good credit, you would have to cover some of their fees. And the question is since that's the case, if you can get a mortgage with bad credit, should you let your credit go bad? And I would tell you absolutely not. And here's the reason why, and I want you all to pay close attention to this. People that have bad credit, that does mismanagement, how long do you think they're going to default on their mortgages? How long? Okay? Think about that. So at the same time, you with a good credit score, you taking care of your credit, managing your money, paying your bills on time, this is still going to put you in a better position. All right. Now, they are requesting that he review the bill so that it won't penalize people with good credit. A lot of people are very ticked off about it, and hey, I can understand. Me being one of them. Why are you going to penalize me when I take care of paying my bills while I'm trying to be a responsible adult? Why am I being penalized? And I know, well, they don't give people in the hood or the ghetto or people with uh, lesser opportunities a chance to get a mortgage. Again, I'm from the hood. I'm from the ghetto. And the thing about it is, as an adult, it's your financial responsibility to make sure that you pay your bills on time. It's your responsibility. And for other people to be penalized because you're not handling your business, that's not right. That's totally not right. Now, I'm an individual, everybody that knows me, I'm for the community. I'm for the community. But at the same time, when we can potentially be penalized for doing financially responsible things, especially me in this community that actually gives the education away for free, educating people on how to better manage their finances, take care of their credit, easier banks to go to get funding. So it isn't, oh, you just don't. No. The reality of it, if you are a responsible adult and you are taking care of your financial responsibilities, why should you be penalized? Now, something else I'm going to add to this. Like I said, many of those people that they're willing to give an opportunity to help them get into a mortgage, into a home. Again, if they're not paying their rent on time, if they're not paying their lights on time, if they're not paying their gas bill on time, what makes you think that they're going to pay a mortgage on time? It just doesn't, oh, I got a house now. No, because there's more financial responsibility, okay? So now where they was renting, they may didn't have to worry about a trash bill, a water bill, lawn maintenance. When something goes broke or something, a handyman to fix it. So there's all these other expenses that go along with it, okay? That a lot of people don't even calculate. It's expensive trying to maintain a household, especially if you have kids, all right? Now, adding to that, what about you as the individual with good credit and you're like, well, I should just walk. No. Don't do that. Because as you continue to maintain a good credit score and pay your bills on time, because of what the banks are doing with tightening up on finances, those with higher credit scores will be the pick of the litter, not only to get better interest rates on credit cards, so cheaper money, better interest rates on car loans, better interest rates on personal loans, better interest rates on student loans. So you, as an individual, a responsible financial individual, you will still have the upper hand. And I don't wish anything bad on nobody, but the reality is, if people aren't paying their basic bills on time, their water, gas, light, what makes you think they're going to pay a mortgage on time? See, and this is the thing that people don't understand. Well, they need to have the opportunity. I agree with you. Yes, everybody deserves a fair opportunity. But as an adult, when you have a job, you pay your bills. If you know that, hey, I'm not making enough income, you get up and say, well, I'm going to go work a second job, or I'm going to go work a third job, because this is my goal, to have better credit so that I can be able to get into a house so I can start building wealth for my children, okay? It's not fair that you're going to be penalized for that. And hopefully, again, hopefully that this bill is going to be revised. I really hope it's going to be revised, because it's definitely not fair, okay? We're going into a serious credit crunch. And I will tell you guys, the writing's on the wall. They're talking about the United States defaulting on the debt. And that's a whole nother animal. You know what that means? Or better yet, let me tell you what it means. People talking about, oh, let the banks collapse. Lord, let me help you understand what that collapse mean for us and how it's tied to us. Those of us that have retirement plans, pension plans. See, the banks took our money. They loaned our money. They bought bad debt with our money through our pension plans and stuff like that. So if they collapse, guess what? We lose those 401ks, those pension plans. If the government defaults, again, your pension plan goes away. So this is why a lot of people are missing the point. This is very serious. This is a wake-up call. So the last thing any of us that are financially responsible want to do is go into a default personally on our credit, because it's going to make it even more challenging. So if I were you, again, if it happens that you have to be penalized and because somebody else or whatever, hey, eat it. But at the same time, it's going to be an opportunity for you. It's going to be an opportunity for you, because you will be the pick of the litter that the banks and stuff say, hey, this person still managed to maintain good credit. So they're going to give you priority over others, right? So if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, I want you to click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.